Hi guys, hello, how you guys doing? Today we're starting a new session on London session 23rd of August. We'll be having news later on at 4:30 a.m. and we have also USD news. So let's jump in. I was gonna jump in quicker, but I couldn't get in time. I was expecting the spikes to happen. Price came to this area like around here. I expected the price to start pushing. We rejected this low multiple times. I expected the price to push. This was a clean entry. I couldn't get in earlier, so I was doing some stuff, but this was a nice area. I hope someone caught it. It's running for 17, 18 pips. You can keep it for longer once we break above this area. The next entry points will be around this area. Um, Once we do this, we can have a nice push back up. All right, now let's jump in the overall structure of market so we can get an understanding of how everything is going on. Wait, let me add the chat so everyone can see. For Just give me a second, please. Let me add the chat, and once I put the chat on, we can start. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, right? If you guys can't hear me, please tell me so I can fix it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you can hear it. Nice. Is it better now? How's it now? Is the sound good? Better. I'll lower the music. How's it now? Alright, nice. Alright, cool. Okay, so let's get on overall structure of market before we do anything. Okay. Alright. Now let's jump in the overall time frames. Just give me a minute. Okay. So we previously mentioned that this is a really a liquidation zone for overall market, as we have gone previously started to push down for a long period of time. We're starting to break right now, as more and more people are currently, more institutions are currently closing out their positions due to the fact that we have the Jackson Hole Symposium this week. The other thing is we also have multiple news that could change the structure of the market, and we're shifting into a possibility of dollar domination coming back due to the fact that China has been. We expected something to stop, and yeah, we didn't. We got this, but it didn't go further down. But we could still get this on, right? China has gone into talks of reducing their rates due to their economy being a bit on hold and having less economic growth, and they brought down the interest rates. This can cause uh, US dollar to increase, US dollars inflation to increase, as investors tend to put their money, since it's easier to get and cheaper to get, they're gonna tend to be moving their money from normal assets, safer havens to risk-based assets into the US, which can cause inflation in overall market. This is evident for Europe, anything that's not the Chinese yuan, right? So what we can expect is price to come to 1910s, 1912s, 1914s, to around this area. Let me mark this. I'm expecting price to come to these areas before we start to have pull down. Wait, where before price starts to push down. All right. So I'm expecting price to go to these zones before we start to have like a rejection area, unless something happens like a COVID news comes out that we need to go lockdowns or something. Until then, the dollar domination still stands. This is just a temporary pullback, as we have seen market moves in structural waves, right? So we saw this. All right, wait. All right, we saw this came down. The same thing started to push up, and then we came down again. We came, we started to push up. We came down for a decent period of time. We retested this lows again. We retested this highs. Then we started to push down. We have been in a strong bearish momentum for the past few weeks. It's not out of the ordinary for price to start rejecting, as we the institutions tend to liquidate their positions once they have a better price point and to get in better price points. So once they liquidate their positions around here, they wait for a price point, a better price here, and they start adding positions, right? So this is how the overall structure of the market works. So as a scalper, if you understand how this structure works, you can get better understanding of why price is pushing down, why price is pushing up. Okay, now let's jump down on the lower time frames. As you can see, price has been just moving in this structure for a couple of weeks now, right? And we just broke it. We retested 1888, 1890s multiple times, 1885 multiple times before we started to push. Multiple triple rejection here, here, here. This was a clear sign of a bullish structure. We have multiple rejections and also fundamentals like showing this the same idea. Price just closed above this area on the 30 minute, right? We closed above this area on the 30 minute. As we previously mentioned, 1902 is quite a strong level. Here is 1902, right? Once we close above, we could push up to 1910s and 1912s, preferably based on the news we have later on. Also, this can give us liquidity for the price to push if the news is bad, which we kind of expect it to be, as it's been ranging around this area for the past few months. I don't expect it to go above 50. Above 50 can give us a good source, but I don't think that might happen. But let's see what happens. They're expecting a lower than previous, and the same thing for flash services. All right, now let's go on. Now let's go on the lower time frames and mark out what you're expecting. So what I'm expecting for today is price to go to this area and start to push, or get a risky buys to around this zone, and once we and start to push back up again. So during Asian session, we had a clear structure of how price has been moving, and yesterday I marked this out during New York for myself. This area, 1890, was a really clean zone for price to start rejecting, as we have seen in the past. 1890, multiple rejections, and every time we rejected, we start to push further up. Um, so once Asian started to push up, and we came down, and most people liquidated their positions at 1904, which previously mentioned in the London session. We we analyzed that we're gonna come down further. I think I sent it also on the Discord that we could, if anyone's in buys, I was in buys myself around here, and I expected to push the price to push further. It didn't, and once price came around this area, I closed out my positions, and I expect price to go out further, right? So what I'm expecting is for now, for price to do well, what it is doing now. This is quite good. If price closes as is, and the next few candles reject this area, we could have a nice buys in here, which would be a bit riskier, but easier buys above this zone, 1905. And now let's jump on GJ. Today GJ would be pointers to trade before PMI, because we're gonna have strong news that could affect the market. And as you can see, price is moving up and down for the past few hours in just a 30 pip range. So it's not logical to trade it now, and we marked this out. No trades below this area, wait for a break. I marked this out yesterday, and once we broke 800, what happened? So wait, not this. Buys above this, and when we broke this, you can see once we broke, started to retest, and we started to have a meltdown. I marked this out during London session. Hope someone caught this, and I talked about it afterwards in the London session in the Discord chat. So what I expect for today is based on the news, essentially. So until then, I'm not gonna mark out any trade ideas, but the overall market still is strong for pound. As you can see, that even though yen is coming up and pushing above, yes, we're rejecting these areas, and we could have a possible intervention by the Japanese central bank. We still are in a bearish structure overall. So GJ can still push down. But the thing is, we have multiple times we have retested this area, and we started to reject. So we could see this price to come down to, I would say, 184s, 184.2s before we start to have a push up, right? So now let's jump in the lower time frame to see what we're having right now. Nothing. Once we break this area, we could have a clear structure to easily go down to 184,800. So, but this is fully based on news and nothing to trade before it. And this is for gold. Watch out what price is doing and stay vigilant. If anyone has any questions, please let me know and message on the chat and I can answer you. And yeah, let me change what the hell are these. All right. Price seems to be rejecting this area multiple times. It's a clear sign that we're still in a bullish structure. Two bearish candles, but weaker. It fully did not cancel out. Once this candle closes bullish, we could have a nice push up, and that means also the hourly has been closing. Preferably the hourly closes above this area would be nicer, but we needed to close above 104. 104 has been shown to be a really strong level. I need this to close above 104 before I start to make a judgment whether we're going to be buying or not. Right? If not, we'll be looking into sales later on into the session after the news comes out. All right? Does anyone have any questions? Let me open up Discord so we can I will go to, if anyone's on the Discord channel, go to trading section and you can open your mic or ask me questions. I hope people can hear you. Hello? Can you guys go on Discord chat so you can ask me questions? I think you can hear the Discord. Right, gold is just rejecting this area, and now we need the hourly to close above 1904 before we start to push up. Nothing, nothing for 1 minute. Let me see what someone said. All right, we possibly gonna get buys around 1902. Sorry if no, no. What I mean is based on news. But if the hourly closes above, let me mark it out. Right, I'm waiting on this hourly to close. So this hourly, I need it to close above 1904, right? If it doesn't, then it's a bit chalked and around this zone, right? If we close above here, we could have a retest of 1902, something like this, and start to push, or straight away breaks of 1905. This would be a really, really strong candle. Once we close above 1905 and the hourly closes above 1904, we can easily hit 1907 and 1910s today without a problem before even news. But that's all based on what happens on the hourly. Hourly currently the total wick is longer than the body, so wait out. Price could just easily reject around this area and start to push down. And the 4 hours could flip. We're at a strong level. We're rejecting around this area. So watch out what the market's doing, right? So wait for the price to close and wait for the price to happen, right? Before you make a decision. Right. Currently, I just don't like the market structure. It's quite bad. Let me drink some coffee. Join the Discord. Yeah, no, what's up? Jump on Discord so we can in which section? I said, can you go to trading in London? There is a Discord. Join the London session, and below it there is a section where it says trading. I'm there. My name is MM. You can join me up here, guys. Here, I'm here. Join up this. I can. You can ask questions and whatever. We can chat up. Gonna take a nap before I. Oh yeah, go on. Your time is quite different. Yours is like in the morning right now. Yeah, go on. Have a nice nap. Think of pips. Think of pips so the pips come to you. Dream pips. If you guys have any questions or anything, just come to the Discord chat. I can completely miss how to get what? How to get on the Discord trading chat. You just go press trading and then you can open up press. That's it. It's not that you don't need to do anything. Give me a second. Let me see if I can share my add my screen on Discord. Wait up. Give me a second. Window capture, display capture, window capture. Here. Here. This is a Discord chat. Alright, just join up Here. This is me. Join this up. Join this up. We can chat. Here, wait, let me make it smaller. Transform fit the screen. Here. Can you see the screen? Yeah, this is London session. You can go here. You can ask some questions. You can join here or just join this area. Just join this. Let me remove this guy. He's not been doing anything. Nope, I'm not gonna remove a what. Join this so we can chat up and you can ask questions. Why can't you access it though? Oh, someone joined. Hello? Now let's go back to the market. We're rejecting this area. The hourly close below, weak. We could have price starting to reject. We rejected this area. We need a 30-minute closure now above this area. We also have news. No, maybe you did not go to the section where it says read. Go to the section where it says read. On top it says announcements, read rules. Go there and then there's the rule section. Just click on, not there, wait. Announcements. I don't think it shows for me, but for you guys it should show something like read. So then you can just access, press tap and then you can access the whole thing. Wait for closure above 1904. Sorry for the thing. Some people are just like building some stuff near me and it's just making a bit of loud noises. Alright, we are coming down right now and it's expected. Yeah, this is the part. This we marked this out yesterday. Someone, I think I marked this. I said somewhere around here. Here, I'm not sure. I think it was this. Yeah, it was on the 15 minute. Yeah, it was this. I said once we close below this area, we can have a nice push down. We have the same thing right now. Price did the same thing here and then started to push down. But wait for the news to come on pound, and then we can have a nice entry better below this area. The problem right now with gold is it's in a small range that it has rejected here multiple times, right? The same thing here and the same thing here, right? So we can't make a decision on like where to enter. You can see previously did the same thing. We just ranged around this area multiple times, multiple times. Oh, I can't go back further, can I now? Right? So multiple times is rejected around this area, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we need clear justifications on where to enter once we have it. This was a nice entry because multiple rejections, then we had like a good 15, 16 pip buy. The thing is now the 1 minute keeps rejecting 1902.6.7. If we need to clear direction, once we close above 1904, we could have that nice buys. Watch out. Don't do any entries. This is decent for GJ. So if we come to around this area, we could have better sells once the news drops. So once news drops, if price does something like this, comes, oh, let me try to see. If news comes up, goes to this area, hits, and then we can have that nice sells down to this lows. But again, it's based on news. I but below 85.5 is good for sells and for buys above 86. But this buys you have to wait on news. If news is good, we need news to be good. Right? News to be above 47, 46. But I mean, historically, it's been read every single time. Let's see though. Let's see. More data, always better. Information advantage. Always remember that. is like some Elden Ring type music. And for souls, we need price to come down to this area for souls before we make a clear decision. Once we come below 1899, because this is a really strong level. Once we have a closure, something like this, something. Once we do this, we can have a nice sales. Wait, nice, right? We can have nice sales to these areas, right? The only problem would be if news comes out and just starts to wicking. So wait for, I would say wait for 4:30. Until then, we may not have an entry. We could. Let's see. Guys, wait for 1904. We're just rejecting this area continuously. It's just like how to say. It would be a guessing game. If you enter a buy, is it gonna push up? If you enter a sell, is it gonna push down? You actually don't know. It's just in a very bad range. Remember what I said about strong levels and how institutions buy at round numbers. As you can see, rejections at 1905, and price how reacted at 1904, 1905. Look at the massive wicks, massive candles every time we went around these areas. So we need that clear confirmation once we go to this area, right? Until then, anything you do will be guessing games, right? This has no bottom week. This candle closed weak bearish. Where is it gonna push? If you entered here, fair, you can keep it. But other than that, no other entries. Absolutely no other entries. Here or here, no other entries, right? Actually, yeah, remove this. No point. Yeah. So Alan, look at I get what you mean 1907. I have 1907 some yeah, you can see 1907 marked around here. I understand what you mean perfectly. Here 1907 so many rejections. The only thing is once we every time price broke above this area, we went to this and if since we have news today, volatility could be high, right? We could just break through it. If you get the buys, you get to 1907, you should be break even. At that point, you must be break even. And the only other buy is above 1907. So if you get around here and you see price how price reacts, then you could make a decision on what to do with your entry. Close it out, keep it, or whatever. But 1907, yes, it's strong, but the moment we break it, we push up. The moment we close below it, we push down. So this is not just like in terms of like, oh, it's daily, we should close out the position. This is also a liquidation. It's a strong level of area, and you're referring to the fact that we came down. We once we hit this lows, true, but this was during a bearish structure, right? Let me mark it out, right? So you can see this was just an overall bearish structure. Right now we're in a bullish structure. So will it react the same? Yes. But how will it react once we hit here? Will it just straight away melt down? And last time we went down to 1902, then we started to push up. How will it be here? We will go to 1912s before we start to push down and go further up. This is how the markets move, like how to say, in a V shape, whatever you want to call it, like this. Look, you can see markets move like something like this. So you can get an understanding of what I mean. I hope it explains what by like what in terms of like how market structure moves. 1907, yes, it could reject, but once we break it, we're gonna push. It's just a matter of like what happens at that point. TP should not be here. Like if you want to take our positions, fair, but TP should be around here because the moment we break, boom, it doesn't matter what candle closes. This is the 1 minute, and you can see how a 30 minute, and you can see how strong it is. And let me go on the 1 minute and see how it is. You can see how the 1 minute reacted the moment anytime we closed above this area is like we had a decent push up and we got proper justifications of why prices are rejecting the moment we came down. And look, 1907 we came down, 1907 we came down, 1907 we came down. Said down, down. It's just evident on how price moves at that zone. So just a TP at that area would be just like, oh, you're letting it go just because you can't like let it stay, right? How that explains. After the rejection, do you think there will be what? The rejection, do you think it will tap 1985-ish? For sells, huh? 1985s. Oh, that's quite low. As I said, the only sells I'm looking for is this. I'm not looking for any sells other than this. Like this is the only sell that I would take. Yeah, we need and safer sells would be here, but I'm still in a bit bullish bias, considering even the daily previously was bullish, which we mentioned. This candle straight away started to push up, clear signs of a bullish structure. 4 hours are all bullish. The last time we came down, we reject. This is on the. Let me go on this. Right. This is on the 4 hour. Right. We came down. We this candle also came down to this levels. We started to reject, and then since then we have been in a bullish structure. Yes, this candle closed no top wick, but momentum doesn't care for top wicks as much as long as we have some sort of news. Since we have news today, the top wicks and the bottom wicks are not that important in a sense that it could reject, but it could just not care for it since there is a lot of volume coming in soon, right? Wait for the levels to come. You can see we just canceled out triple rejections. This is on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, every single time frame showing the same thing, right? So we need that. We need we need price to close below 96, 97s before we start to have rejections down to the 85s and some things and lower, right? Wait for that price. Don't just sell randomly. Or if we sell below if we close below 1902, we can come down to here and go down further, as we have done in the past. You can see we have done this, but it's just gonna be a bit riskier. Just wait it out. Yeah. This 30-minute closes above. We have 10 more minutes. We can. This candle closes above. We can get a nice buy, which means this candle fully engulfed. This candle will be like 15 pips or so. For what? For like 10, 60, 70 pips easily. And minimum you can go break even at 1906. So that's like around 20 pips, 20, 30 pips easily caught before you make a decision on whether you want to close or not and keep. But this is the buys I have. And this would be the break and retest buys. If you close above on the 30-minute here, buys wouldn't be bad. We will just get the buys straight away here. But for now, if price closes down here, we wait for the break and retest of 1905. That made sense? Best time trades for swing trades, all time frames. So I personally traded swings before. So this is how I traded in the past, right? On whenever I used to do swings, right? Let me just mark it out on this, right? Okay, so let me remove these. So for example, I marked levels like this, right? I mark my levels on the My levels are always the same: 1912, 1902, 1989, 1990s, 1980s, 1985. So at levels of 5, 5.5, 5, 6, right? So I see how overall structure market is moving. So let's say we're in a buy zone, we're in a bearish zone. So I see how price has been reacting in the past. So when I see this sort of movement, what will be my logical level for a sell limit for a swing trade, right? For an intraday type of trade. I'll have my sell limit around this area. I'll see how price reacts here and wait. If I see that rejection, I'll get an entry like this. And my SO will be like somewhere around 20, 30 pips, somewhere like around this area, and get the push down. Or watch or mark this out on the 1 hour. And once we're at this area, I can't go back on the 1 minute, right? I'll go on the 1 minute, 5 minute, and see how it reacts. Get my entry even more precise. So rather than have my entry exactly at 1903 and being drawdown possibly for like 10, 20 pips, I get my entry when we close below again and do a retest. The same thing, you can see how price has been moving. Like it's very clean here, here, rejected. I saw this, wait for this to happen. This was really rangy. Price came up, retested this area and came down. And the same thing with this. You can see price came down, retested this area. So what I could expect for another like swing essentially would be sells around this. So many rejections here. Sorry, yeah, wait. Will be here. Will be my sell limit will be like somewhere around here. Well, that's what I have, 1910s and 1912s. That's why I keep saying it, 1912s, 1910s. My my SO will be around 20, 25 pips. So I'm like 20, 30 pips max. And I could just hold this on. But this you have to always watch out since you're swinging. A lot of things that can happen around the world, right? This could shift out the market. If this comes out at 60, you will never get that entry, right? It will just melt. It just keeps at melting. You have to watch what these are telling you and then make a proper decision on what price is going. Like if this comes out as just normal, there's no economic activity and price is just like moving based on technicals, the 1910 entry would be perfect, right? So you have to watch what the market's telling you, watch what the news is telling you, and then make a clear decision. Okay, now we're at 1904. Let's watch what the market's doing, right? So 1904 is close. We could get that 30-minute candle, right? This is the once this 30-minute candle closes, once this 30-minute candle closes above 1904, perfect for buys, right? Just wait it out. You can see how price reacted around this area. The moment we closed above, we started to push. Hope that made sense. Very educational, probably the most. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, man. I try to do as much as I can. If you have any more questions, I'm on right now on Discord. You can go and even like talk about the questions that you have, and you can ask more questions. This weekend I will be doing a full top-down analysis on everything based on gold and USD. I'll try to finish it. I'm doing the PowerPoint right now. It's quite long. I'll try to lower it down to 1 hour, and I'll post it here and I'll share it on the Discord chat too, so everyone can watch it and see like how I think overall and why I take my trades the way I do. So you can like I'll go based. Just let me go here. Right, I'm gonna make like full analysis based on like the monthly from like for example like 2008. Oh, wait, not there. From like the 2008. Where is it? From here up to this point, and everything based on that, and then do the same thing for DXY, and then explain how to go on lower time frames, go down, and why you take the trades the way you do, why price is rejecting at this area, why it has done this in the past, why price pushed this much, why did it go in a stagnant area, why did it go up to this point and then started to reject. Everything based on fundamentals and economical activities. Okay, now nice, nice, nice. This candle is closing, showing very strong push. Good thing is, the moment I saw we keep rejecting this area, it was a clear sign of like price showing bullish candles. The only thing would be bad if the 30-minute closes around this area. This is not nice. I just need that 30-minute to close above. Just this 30-minute to close above this. Perfect for buys. You will have a 20 pips SL. Oh, 15 pips SL, not even bigger. For a safer SL would be 1902, but hey, if we break this below, we're gonna come down further. So above this area, once we break, we're gonna have a nice push to 1910s and possibly 1912s today. And remember, if you're in a trade, even though it's at 4:30, we have GJ, and we're around like let's say here, go break even because GJ's news can affect the USD not that much, but it's based on what it is, right? If they come out and say all this, and then we're not gonna use the USD anymore, it could affect it. So go break even before the news, even though it's GJ news, a pound news. What up, nice. What about weekend? Fran, what do you mean? I'm saying I'm going to be doing a full top-down analysis on the weekend. I will try to see if I can do a Zoom call or I'll just do it on Discord. I will write my notes and everything and put everyone inside like come to the trading channel. We all like I'll go full structural breakdown on what everything is and obviously record that and then post it on YouTube and you guys can see it on Discord. But I have to see how I can do it. It's quite challenging to do it on two different streams and like recording it live and then explaining it. I have just one monitor right now. It's a big monitor, but it's one monitor. I can't bring my other monitor. I have it back home. I'm just right now here. I move around a lot, so I just have monitor with me. I just need this 30 minutes. Anyways, this 30 minutes needs to close above. This is really good. This is the way it is right now. It closes perfect. I will for sure try to finish it before my classes start. And maybe from next week, I will do my best. Yeah, sure. I'll try to do the Zoom thing. But from next week, I will do my best to do a morning analysis on in the Asian session before the day starts, hopefully, because it's quite early for me in the morning. And just a full breakdown for 20-30 minutes, and I'll post it, and you guys can watch it from next week on. And see, GJ is not that nice. Wait for news, and this is really good. We have 30 more seconds. As long as we don't close below, awesome. The entry would be like something like this. Just remember, right? This candle needs to close with a decent top wick and close above. Once the entry happened, your entry would be something like this. And if you miss this entry, wait for the yeah, wait for the break and retest of 1905. Okay, so this would be what the position would be like, something like this. Push up, push down. Right. All right. Now we're getting that right. This is what I want. But we could just straight away push with 1903. I need a decent bottom wick. Okay, this is good. This is quite good. We straight away pushed up. Now wait for a 1 minute candle closure above. Then once we do, we can have a nice entry above. All right. Stay vigilant. This is really, really nice for entries. It's showing a strong sign of a decent amount of volume. And it's also the comics candle open. Once this candle rejects or closes like above, wait for the 1 minute candle close above, and then we get the entry, right? If this candle closes as is, you can have your SL entry now. Once this flips, wait for this candle closure though. Wait and see how strong the candle is. A safer entry would be once this 1 minute candle, 1 minute candle closing above 1904. All right. We need that 1 minute candle to close. Okay, now wait for the 1 minute candle close above, or just get in on the highs with a 12, 15, 20 pips SL. Still not hasn't broken the highs. If this candle comes and just closes above, perfect, perfect, perfect buys. We need that closure right now, or just straight away break. But I don't like breaks. I just like closures. It makes more sense. But that way you can miss 30 more seconds. So we wait. Don't jump in. Don't worry. All right. It's showing good signs. Showing good signs. This is decent volume though. We have nice volume. What's GJ? Oh my God. Wait. Was it news? News was at 4:30. What? Yeah. 4:30. What happened? Oh shit. Oh, like, oh, well, yeah. Okay, before news are closing out their positions. Makes sense. This candle just, this candle is coming down, no bottom wick. You could get like, how to say, a risky entry buys around here, but this is your choice. This would be what I'm talking about. Like a risky buys with your SL around here, but this is very risky. Just wait for your confirmations above this here. And since now we have a decent bottom wick on the 30, we could have the SL at this 30 candle. Once this flips, this has no reason to actually start to push down again. Since we three rejections, this candle closed above 1904, very strong level. This candle closes above the absolute unit of an entry. See, we're rejecting around this area. This could be an amazing entry above here. So just guys, watch out, because this is the 1 minute. I have to also take my own entries. So I have to stay vigilant on my own side. So yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect buys. Price should start to push up. And once we close above 1904, we'll have an amazing rejection above. Once this candle flips, it'll be perfect for buys. Yeah. We're rejecting this area. It's still fine considering the fact that we just closed bullish. Oh, okay, never mind. Wait for the closure. Candles on the bearish candles are quite strong right now. Wait for signs of bullish momentum. If this candle comes down, closes below 1902, or we could get that retest of 1902, but I just don't like that 1902 retest. We might have rejections. Again, wait for this. Wait for a 1904 closure. Thank you, Carly. Am I right? Can buy now? No, don't buy now. 1904. Once we close above 1904 on the 1 minute. Once we close here. Once price does this here, and then pushes. Yeah, the bearish candles are quite strong right now. You can see the bearish candles are like very strong, but this is also due to the fact that we have quite a strong opening. And GJ died. Anyone catch below 1980, 85.5? I think I said if we close below 85, we can come down, but I wasn't gonna enter anything here. If anyone caught it, hey, good luck. Keep your trade running. See what happens next. We could straight away come down to that lows we spoke about. We can come down to here, 84.8, and even use. Yeah, 1902 rejection. Good signs considering the fact that the 1 minute, the 5 minute closed no bottom wick. This could be nice. See how it reacts here. We could get that entry above 1904 again. Like once we close above. That retest entry is nice, but it's quite risky. If we close above 1902 point around here, wouldn't be bad our buys. That means, yeah, this candle closed above, this candle closed below, but with no bottom wick. We did the retest of 1902. Actually, not bad. It's actually not bad. We come do a small retest, we could push. If we close above on the 5 minute above here, again, better push. Oh shit, this is just dropping. Yeah, I don't like the fact that this 1 minute candle closed very small top wick, but we could get that. If this candle does this here, comes up and starts to push, that would be great. Wait for that rejection above here. Yeah, but for now, the bearish candles are stronger. We need this to close above. We need this to close a bit higher. Yes, it's looking good. It's alright, not bad. Once we break this high, price can push up further. But we engulf. We need this to break above this area like this. Here. This would be some sort of the entry around here. And safer buys around this one. This could be, or this. This is nicer. This is safer. This is a riskier. This is your personal preference on what you want to take. Oh, yeah. Let's see what price does. We'll see what price does. We could create a double bottom which gives us a better confirmation. This is actually not bad. This is actually not bad. We need price. This candle has to close above and go further. This has to. If not, we're coming down. Yay! GJ. Yeah, I saw Dixie, but you can see we closed. We're pushing up around this area. Wait. Oh shit. Actually, I didn't see that. Never mind. I didn't see that. Yeah, we could start to push down. I didn't see this, but I don't like the way it opened. Something happened. Something happened. Let's see market news. Yeah, we closed below 1902 right now. We closed up below 1902. Here, we closed below 1902. Price could just start to come melt down. Uh, Careful for entries. We still have that buys above 1904.2. This rescuers Greece. Okay, burned 18 bodies. Okay. Latest news: shares retreat. Property sector downturn. Wavelet optic jump 78%. Okay. World economy. Ah, but there's nothing. I can't see RSS. Where's RSS financial news? Oh shit! This. Wait. Wait. Do we have some Euro news? Do we? Oh, it was this. It was this. It was this too. Yeah, I didn't see this. I don't have Euro open. Okay, makes sense. It doesn't matter. It's Euro news. It doesn't. Yes, it affects it, but it just creates a little bit more volatility. Yeah, we came down way too much. Euro JPY Mandem are coming down. Yeah, I didn't see this. I don't have I did not have Euro news. I have only, you can see I removed this. I have this usually. I didn't see the Euro news at all. Yeah. Yeah, this was it. But this was still good. The French one was decent. It wasn't that much, but the German was bad. It's still not gonna affect USD as much as expected. Yes, it's the USD. We have a lot of euro in reserves, but it's just the German one, right? Yeah. Wait now. Wait for something like wait for candles to close above, and then we can have a push rise above here. I had no idea. I forgot about EU PMI at like fully. No, no, yeah, exactly. I was like, what's going on? There was nothing on the, I did not have anything on, and then I just remembered, oh, we have EU, and then someone also called out EU. I completely forgot about it. I don't trade EU, so I always remove it on Forex Factory. Yeah, but it's still not gonna do much. It still doesn't matter. It can bring it down, but it's like overall, I think the pound has more effect, and it's German PMI, just one country, and the French one was decent. Yes, this is like really, really big, strong company, but yeah. And these two are waiting for 15 more minutes. This can do something. Even though it's this, yeah, but it's still. Let's see. Yeah, this now makes sense. Alright, now this makes sense. Oh, we retested this area. Nice. Where did I mark it? Okay. Mango, bro. I thought there was like something going on. But yeah, this is still fine. Wait for we were the good thing is we're respecting 1902. One rejection here, another rejection straight away push. The problem now is this 15-minute candle is very strong. This 30-minute candle is now pushing down. Hourly rejected this highs. Yeah, we're holding above 1902. This is good. Bearish candles are much stronger, but we're above 1902. That's what matters. We could do a retest of this area on GJ. We could, yeah, we could come to around the zones before we start to have the push down again. Somewhere around here before we start to come down, right? Oh, we're 1902 again. Let's see how it reacts. 15 closed above. This candle show it away came down. We closed below the zones. Price action now looking nice for buys. But this is still fine if you can see here. We've been like overall strong bullish structure. Yeah, this could if this rejection comes above, the bullish structure is still valid. If not, we can, as we talked about it, we can come down to these areas and push up and then push further. If not, we see how price action is after the news. We make it this. Yeah, did we close below? A bit. We just need to respect 1902. Yes, good, 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 good. We rejected this again. 5 minute, 5 Minuten is strong. This is the German Bratwurst brothers. The Bratwurst brothers. We need this closure above. Once we close above, we get that. Boom, boom. Easy thing. The other one will be boom, boom. Better buys, safer buys above here. We could get that. Or gold. GJ is like, ah, cool. I'm just gonna drop. GJ don't care for anyone. When it starts to move, it really just goes, pushes and pushes and pushes. Why didn't I see it here? What's this stupid thing? Stupid. Does anyone have any questions? Absolute whole. Oh, this is financial. This just came now. Absolute melon. Okay, alright, we expected it. 6% interest rate. What do you expect? UK order block, or UK order book balance. Japan, Germany. Doomberg. I've never heard of Doomberg. What's Doomberg? Doomberg? Where was Doomberg? Yay, we're going above. Nice. Yay, we closed above. We can push now. Double bottom around this area. We start to push. Easy thing. We need this 5 minute closes above. Perfect. Oh, look. Once every time the 5 minute closes above, we push further. You could have this entry. Now this entry actually makes sense. We need this to close above. We need this to close above. No sign of sell till 90. Nope. We need price to go down. My so level up. I don't. I wait just 1 second. All right. I want to see how this closes. Look. So I don't show how many like pips I take, profit I take. I am trying my best. I'm trying my absolute best to provide a way where everyone can think the same way as me, so you guys can take the same positions. So if I show you a pip count, it really doesn't matter because I will be closing a different pip count than you. Oh, we closed above. Nice, perfect. This is perfectly fine. We need the 5 minute to just come make a decent bottom wick, and or maybe not just push, but we need a bottom wick first to around here. We get this. Once we close above, we push further up. This would be ideal for positions. Or we wait for that 1904 entry. So that's why I don't want to like just show. Oh, I put on top that I have. Look on top, I have how many wins I have. Because my wins versus your wins could be different. Like yesterday, I closed out my position like a retard at like 10 pips, 20 pips, and then and one of them break even and another one closed that earlier. But most of the people who got the same entry as me kept it. I just got wicked out for a second because I was moving myself a bit, and I got wicked out. But everyone else who was in caught it to like 30, 40 pips. It's pointless. Like you should just learn the terms of ideas on. In terms of ideas, understand the idea rather than the pip count. The pip count doesn't is arbitrary. If you want me to do that, that's fine. I can just download the stream thing and I just be like, oh, how many pips is this? That's fine. If you guys want that, I can do it. Tell me. Jisoo, this is pushing now. Never mind. Did anyone when go to 1902? This was an impulsive entry. But did anyone go inside this? To be fair, it did this twice, but I don't like it. What's new? Text in channel. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Wait for that buys above. Alright. I'll do it from tomorrow on. I'm trying to I go through everything in the financial markets and I in terms of ideas and everything to make it like better so everyone understands. If you guys want that, sure. We closed above. We rejected this again. This is a double bottom, like the M pattern. My name is MM. We get that W pattern because the upside down M. You see that? Easy thing. Oh, nice. 1903. Oh, okay. You got, yeah, perfect. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Nice. That was nice entry. You should be careful once you have to see what price does. And also remember, we have news in 8 minutes. Wait and see what price does here, right? Around this area. If you see a strong bearish candle, close out the positions and wait for a better price point. Guys, from now on, if you hear me say PPOI, it's equivalent to price point of interest. Right? When I say this is what this is. PA means price action. Thing is, some people don't know what these are. KL means key level, which is my blue lines. Uh, SNR. If I ever say it, I don't think I will, but if I say SNR means support and resistance. Alright. And what else? If I remember anything, I'll let you guys know. But remember these I sometimes say KL or PA, and then sometimes you may or may not know. Yeah, Mango, this is what I was talking about. This price, watch what price does here. Yeah, watch what price doing. This GJ doesn't give a shit, but this is good. This could just like push up to like here and then start to push down. Mango, careful, brother, okay? Yeah, price is rejecting. Yeah, nice, nice. If you had like an earlier entry around here, you could have kept it, but your entry was just above this. This was a nice like a rejection area. We could have like had a buys here, but this is like a very very experienced trade, and people who are up should only take it. Like you shouldn't take it just out of nowhere. This is not bad type of. This is like nice type of entry, but I personally had a buy here. I closed it out. I had a buy here, but I closed it out, right? When I saw this, I closed it out around like just I think a few pips in drawdown, like around here. I closed it down like 5-6 pips. Yeah, 5 pips. So not much. Mango, yeah. My entry was I entered when once I saw this bearish candle. Once I saw this bearish candle close like down, I just entered it here somewhere. What's this? Let me check my exact entry. Give me a second. The entry was 1902.8. Oh, okay. Wait, my broker looks different. Yeah, was it? Oh yeah, it was around here. Yeah, shit. Oh my bad. Yeah, I closed it at this zone. Yeah, 5-6 pips. Yeah, nice, nice. This is good. This is good. Someone just joined this. Manga joined the Discord. I'm alone. We chat up. Join Discord in the trade section. Let me just go voice signal chat. Hello, hello everyone. This is good. 5 minutes coming up. 12-minute economy calendar. Let me bookmark these. Oh, fuck off. Bookmark. Bookmark. So we can have this nice. Does anyone have any questions? Like, it's insane. No one has asked anything. Mango joined Discord. Uh, hello, anyone in the chat? Price is rejecting this high again. This level is very strong. We expect this to happen. Wait for the price to close above, or else we cannot enter. Yeah, no one's joining. Dun 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 dun. Okay, go on, sleep. It's chalked, but it's 4 a.m. Yep. Just wait a few minutes. We see what the news does. 4:30. I'll see if I'm gonna stay in. Guys, what do you think? If I should go with the red or the blue? Should I change it to the red? What do you think of the red? What do you think of this red? Could you explain the significance of a bottom wick and a top wick affecting the price action on the next candle? Can you clarify what we are looking for buys again? So you're sleeping. Oh no, it's alright. Red, blue matters. Blue, I don't know. Red looks negative. Alright, cool. Okay, so let me go on what the bottom wicks matter. See, when a price shows it has no bottom wick, that means it's not capable of pushing further, right? Yes, this could mean it's closing down due to volume, but it also means that price could not push further. When we have wicks, that means price has gone till there and can possibly go there again. You can see these wicks. You can see price pushed till there, but it didn't close there. But it has the possibility to push up further. Same thing with this. This has no bottom wick. It couldn't push down further. No bottom wick. It couldn't push down further. Same thing here. Now, if we close above here with a top wick and decently, we can get an understanding that price could go further up. Price has a range to go up. Price has gone there in the past. But this is a lower time frame. So if you go on the 30, it matters more than the this opened up, sorry. Just give me a second. Let me see the new set. This was good, this was bad. So absolutely nothing, useless. So what this could do, since this is bad for overall a bit worse on in terms of data for the euro, means euro USD, right? This should technically go down. On the right, this should technically go down, right? This price closed below this area. Let's go on the 1 hour. Price closed below this area. We are going to expect price to go down further. This is a euro USD, right? We could have we have had nice rejections around these zones, and this is my GJ thing. Wait, yeah, we could have a nice rejection once we close below this area. We can push down further. Look at what happened in the past when we closed below. We went down to at least here and further. This is during a bullish structure. During a bearish structure, we closed below. We had a retest, but once we close below again, we push down. Close below, we push down, and we push down further. So this could. I mean, the euro in terms of like strength has been in a decline for the past few months. So overall structure could be isn't that good for the euro in terms of buys. And we closed above. We need that bottom wick now. We need a decent bottom wick or a 5-minute closure above. Then we get a significant buys. And this candle closes above here, we could still get the buys. Yeah, this is not bad. Get the retest and buy, or safer buys above this zone. Yeah, this is really good. Okay, we need that. We need a decent bottom wick. I'm still I still see it coming down to 1902 before it starts to push up, right? Considering the fact that this candle, yes, it has a really massive rejection. This candle is pushing above it. Just wait for a better confirmation, right? Above this area or just anything closing above this. Yeah, let's see. We could get that nice retest. Alright, just stay vigilant, yeah? And yeah, this is also looking good for the structure which I was talking about, like this. We price comes to this area, news is bad, come down further, right? But wait for what the news does. Wait for the news, yeah? Okay, this is actually not bad. It's actually not bad. Once we break this highs, expect the price to push up further, okay? This, your SL should not be more than this, realistically. No, sorry, once we break above 1904.5, okay? We still haven't broken. We need this to close above 1905. We still haven't broken this high. We need it to close go a bit higher. Still, overall structure is bullish. Just a matter of like where would your entry be? If you guys use the 5 minute, wait for the 5 minute closure. We need the 5 minute to close above, but I expect it will hopefully. Red looks negative, yeah. Oh, what about the backgrounds? I have some backgrounds. Let me show you. What about this background? No. What about this? Avengers. I. What do you think of this? What do you think of this background? Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. Once this candle starts to break the highs, price should technically start to push up. Or just wait for this 5 minute to close. This is a few minutes to the 5 minute closure. This 5 minute closes above with a decent top wick. We can get an amazing entry, holding to 1910s and 19.7s minimum for break-even points, and 1910s for the TP. Easy 50, 30 pips straight. 30 to 50 pips straight. So just watch what this candle does, okay? We have few seconds for this candle closure. This candle needs to close with a decent top wick, and if below around here or above here, but with a decent top wick, like here, this candle closes here, perfect. 10 more seconds. Now I explained how the market looks, right? Just we can't close below. Oh shit, it's not looking good now. Oh, okay, now wait. Yes, a 5 minute closed above, but look on the 1 minute. This could just reject. Wait for the spies above 1905, or just wait for this. Then once we close above here, we get the buys. Yeah, this candle could just reject. I got really excited. I expected it to close above. Oh, what do you think of this background? This background, like how it looks right now. Or what about this? Give some feedback. This one looks better personally. The previous one, it was better. Or the main one. Or oh shit, gold. Oh come on now. Okay. Now once this comes down and flips, perfect for buys. If anyone wants to get in the buy, SL should be around here. So get an entry somewhere like this, or wait for the safer buys above that area, right? Once this candle flips, we should have a nice 10 to 15 pips should be your maximum SL. We need this to flip. If it doesn't, well, chalked. And the moment we go above 1905, watch what happens on the candles, alright? Alright, so let me change it back to the old one. So not the first one. So you don't like this, the dots. You think the entry was looking good to be what I missed? No, still wait for the entry. We still have, yeah, we haven't got an entry yet. We could still come down because this candle just closed out. Like, look, this is what I was talking about. We haven't broken the ties. You guys asked me to show my entry here. I was talking about this. I was waiting for this candle. It didn't. Yeah. Now wait. All right. Wait. It's the fact that we're still above here. That's a good sign. We're above 1905, 1904. Still a good sign for push up further. By the way, guys, this background or the one with the one that rolls around, or this. This or with the new than the old one? I like the white one. All right. Okay, this is nice. This is good. This is very good. So this candle closed no bottom week. This 5 minute, this 1 minute candle cancels this out. We get the buys and push up. We get the buys that we wanted at the beginning. If this comes down further, I can't do anything honestly. This is like pissing me off and all. Let me have more coffee. I have a liter of coffee beside me, so I'm on smoke. I have so much coffee. It's actually mad. My eyes are diluted. I swear I can't. I see the future. I'm looking. Oh, this is nice. This is good. We reject the same thing we happened here, but we need a stronger. Wait for this 5 minute to close. Even if we close small weak bearish, it's still fine as long as we close above. Gang gang. You smell colors, bro. I see sound. All right. And it's not normal coffee. It's like the highest I could find in terms of like caffeine content. It's like 100 something milligrams of coffee caffeine per 100 per 2 grams. And I don't know. I didn't use a spoon. I just put. I see things. All right. Yeah. Yeah. This see boys, magic lines. I'm telling you, my magic lines work. These are magic lines, man. They're magic lines. See, it's perfect. From now on, I just draw one line. You guys, they figure out where the buy is. This is good. 5 minute closes above. Nice. Close above here. Oh. Oh my god. You know about bro? Listen, I've had worse. Nose beers. Yep, for sure. Mango. I've had the highest caffeine I've ever had was about 1.1, 1.2 grams of coffee. I actually saw things. It was hallucination at that point. It's the greatest and the scariest time of my life. Whenever I go Starbucks, everyone looks at me for my order. Yeah, try it, try it. It's actually not bad. Uh, I used to use pre-workouts for studying, for before exams. Pre-workouts for studying instead of going to the gym. What's up, Astro? Nah, I'm waiting on for the entries, right? I'm waiting for yeah. Okay. 5 minute flip. Nice buys, nice buys. 5 minute flip. Nice buys if the 5 minute flips. But still wait. The fact that we're rejecting this area, awesome, amazing. Like this, something like this. But wait and see. I drink coffee to put me to sleep, bro. The amount I have, it's not possible to sleep. You actually can't sleep after it for like weeks. uh, you guys are seeing this. I see this. Wait. Let me put something. Clouds. I see this. You guys only see that. I see this right now. I'm on so much caffeine that I see this, right? And more than that, I see like 10 more of this. Yo, I'm late. No, it's alright. It's drawdown effects just in time. Yeah, we're looking. Oh, nice. Once we break this high, we can get for buys. Once we can get the entry for buys, once we break this high, we should start to push. We shouldn't reject. We shouldn't reject. We should just start to push, hopefully. If we close bearish, once we break this high, price should just start to push hard. You hear color, see sound. That's where I see everything. And 1907 will be a nice break-even zone. 1906, 1907, nice break-even zone. Yeah. Damn, my spreads are a bit high. Shit. Break the high, boy. Break the high, boy. Come on. No bot, no top wick. That's bad. I don't like it. I'm sad. We need to see what happens on this candle, right? This is the good thing is this 15 is closing soon, and the 15 closes above this area. We can have that. We can keep the entry if you're in. Push. Oh, push. Just give us the melt we love. Telling you, this go when we are in. It's like nah. When every other people are in, it's like alright, cool. I'm gonna just add positions, 1,000 lots, and it's like fine. Give us the honey butter. Give us that foodie entry. Come on, man. Close above. 10 more seconds. Close above. I'll slap you. It goes a hoe. I'm telling you, I'm a fight goal, I swear. You absolute pleb of a human. Right now, price should not come here. I got in this. I got here. Mind you was here, right? My S was this. 10 pips. Price should push up. This is what I have. I just wanted to close above. If the 15 doesn't close above, I might just close out my position and wait for another entry. Stupid 1 minute closure. Good thing is this 5 minutes pushing. Push, you imbecile. I swear, I'm telling you, I want so much caffeine. I can. Yeah, I marked it out where I took. I'm telling you, I see things, bro. I see things. I'm telling you, I see things. I can't put my hands straight. I am on so much caffeine. Ah, you bastard. You absolute bastard of a human. If this candle comes close below the range, I swear to God, I'm gonna throw hands. You can't close the above. Okay, good. Just go break it. Break it, man. It's not that hard. If then this candle flips, I'll just close out my position. I don't want this to flip, because this flips, this could just take you out. Flip. Close above 1905 and we're good. We'll have a nice chat afterwards. I'll take you on a date. Right, you go up, I'll buy you gold. Ah, you bug. Wait for this closure now. It's your voice are back. It's the voices, you know. I walked away for 2 seconds. No, you still have time for entries. I closed out my positions. I'm waiting for a closure above 1905. Or, now the perfect entry would be now this. Pew, 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 pew. Like, okay, I'm on so much caffeine, I feel I'm doing things. I see this. This is the entry I want now, for real. Wait for the closure now, either above 1905. The fact that this 15 has no bottom wick is annoying me. But hey, we fight the battles. We can. But for now, wait out. The good thing is we're in that candle. Wait. I drew the beautiful trend line. These are the magic lines. Where is it? I'm going back so fast. Look, bro, these magic lines, I'm telling you. You're the man. Thanks. A lot of lines being used today. Nose beers. See? Telling you, I know the line. I know this line. I know that line. We need that bottom wick. This candle closed no bottom wick, so we can come down a bit. Where are these ants coming from? What the hell? If we don't get an entry in the next 3-4 minutes, wait for the news on GJ. Then we can get the nice entries, better entries, and GJ is acting up like a hoe. Yay! Calm down, hoe. Calm down further. I swear to God. Finally, it does what I wanted. Covered in ants, bro. I think trendline indicator. Oh, actually, let me check if there is one. Coffee. Oh shit. Oh, I need to buy this. Buy this indicator. Coffee. Coffee shop crypto. All right, amazing. What happened? Yeah. All right. So we. What is this? What is this? Yo. So right now we're retesting these highs. Once we reject and close above, we're gonna have a nice push, right? What the hell is that? There was this indicator. I don't know what's the name. Rainbow, I think so. It was a mad one. Rainbow. I think it's this. No, this is this insane one. Okay, nice. The way it closes is good. Wait for that closure above now. There is one that's sick. Oh, spiders. Spider or something. Spider vision. No. This is how I see now. Trend spider. Market spider. I don't know what I'm doing. Shit. Gotta. See, it's telling me sell here, buy here, buy. Oh shit, it's actually accurate, guys. I found my indicator by telling you where to do. See, it's sold here. Nice. Perfectly working out. Best indicator ever. What is this? Change your candles to this. Boom. Yay, we rejected this area. Nice. The 5 minute closes above. Close above this. If not, we have, by the way, just remember this. We have had a lot of bullish candles back to back, and the bullish candles are getting much weaker. I personally expected once we broke above this, we start to push. We haven't yet. So wait out for the news. We could do this for the next few minutes and then push up. For now, wait, because we need some sort of rejection. Look how many bullish candles back to back. Similarly here, bullish candles and then a retest. Bullish candles, a retest of this highs. Bullish candles, we stayed here and then we retested this again. So I expect price to come down to the retest. If we break this, we could just straight away push. But hey, it's just a coffee. It's a coffee. I know, bro. I'm telling you, something's going on. Oh my god, what's that? Hey yo, what is this? Yeah, this is my vision right now. Oh my god. What is this? Hey yo. Alright, I'm gonna trade like this from now on. Holy shit. This is the greatest entry you could possibly have around here because we have a red line, right? That's the entry. And you can see the ECG candles are showing us bullish movement. Oh, what is that? Candle close not up wick. I want this price to come down, and we are not. Oh, 70 indicators. Yay, reject, boy, reject harder, harder. I remember that. What's the name of that indicator? Did you just add 70? Oh my god. See, that's how I see things now. Wait. Maximum amount of coffee daily. Oh, daily coffee limit 400. I think I already passed that like 30 minutes ago and I'm still going. Let's go. 2 shots, energy shots. That's it. Breakfast. Nostradamus index. And that doesn't have a limit or anything. Oh, Nostradamus. What the hell? Oh, it's Shit, I can't. This is, you need to be in the community, bro. Shit, okay, I need to close this. What the hell are these things? How do I close this? Okay, close. Alright. Guys, I'll open an account once again. Can I? Do you know there's no limit on how much you can buy? Let me show you. Uh, Trade, scale, canvas, trading, instant placement of orders. Alright, so here you can just put us, honestly, like I've seen a million. Yeah, 1G. Look, I am richer than Elon. Who is Elon in front of me? Look, I can't even close it. Elon's nothing. Elon's, I'm telling you, Elon's nothing. Now we see this next year. Alright. Well, okay, now this is the fact that this closed. Okay, now let's get serious. The fact that we closed, rejecting this area, and we haven't closed below, we could have a nice push further up. But 7 minutes to the news, so watch out for what price is going to do. Alright, we're looking for. Wait, let me mark the draw. Take this. Alright, so we have this news coming up soon. Alright, the thing that I'm expecting, I hope price does. Can I write on top of this? I want flash PMI to come out at, I expect, this is my expectation, about 48. For 48.0. Alright, this is my expectations. And flash services PMI, usually it's higher. In this situation, okay, wait, let's move it. I'm expecting a 51.3 or something like that. Let's see what we get around this, once we get this 51, 52. 51.5. Yeah. Let's see what we get around once news drops, okay? Because news would change this whole aspect. Drop a like, boys. You work for the government. I am the government. I don't work for the government. The government comes to me. I nah, Mango. Thought of it. I want the fastest possible way. Ever use order flow as a point of reference? The whole all my entries based on order flow. Like literally every single entry I have is based on order flow. I don't do anything. Hey, now finally, fat ass sleeping all day. Darren, I'm not high, bro. I am above high. The amount of coffee I have. No, where are my numbers? Where's my number? Shit, my number's gone. Oh, it's here back. Come on. Alright, let's see. Not for USD, I mean for this. This is what I care. Alright. 4 more minutes. We haven't closed below 9904 yet. I make the order flow. You drink it, bro. I have nothing. I don't have a single drop of anything other than coffee. I'm actually market maker. I am the markets, bro. You guys forgot who I am. I'm MM, right? I've predicted the markets, the charts for the past few years. It's in the DNA. It's a bit different, but lovely jubbly. This is what I expect, honestly. But if it doesn't, hey, fair. No, wait. I'm sorry, 50.5. That's 51, yeah. Wait, I'm stupid. I was looking at the wrong numbers. Yeah, I'm stupid. I was looking at the USD. This is what I expect, yeah. I'm telling you, something's wrong with me. Yeah, bro. And 6W is just for on the stream we call live, and the trades that I marked out, the trades that I marked out are about 12, above 12 wins, above 12 wins. So don't test me. Don't test me. All right. I think I posted the pictures somewhere around up. Wait, here, x.com. 2 more minutes for the news. xe.kim. Look, look. I marked this out. This is after the news. I marked this out at 4 a.m. Right? Look what happened on gold, and I marked it out. And then this is USDJPY. I said either this, or this. This ended up the second one and ended up happening. Third one, sorry. And we had that easy drop. Same thing with GJ. Oh, we had 4 wins yesterday. This is still fine. This is based on, this is just wait reacting at this level and use. The fact that bearish candles are getting much weaker is still fine. This candle comes and closes above. News comes out. We get a more volume coming in. We close above 1905. Perfect for buys. My X is X-rated. Awesome. I like the X videos. Amazing. Guys, go touch some grass. I'm serious. Like, you need to just touch some. Oh no, where's my numbers? Oh, okay. Alright. 20 more seconds. Yay. Yeah. Alrighty, boys. We are 4 minutes, 4 seconds away. And we are out. Let's see what the news was and see what gold did. Absolutely jack shit. Let's see what it was. Oh, open up. Economic calendar. Where is GBP? Where is it? 42.5. Damn, I was far. Oh, tie up. 43. I mean, oh shit. All right, let's see. 48.7. Shit. Damn, I was far off. Nice. All right. Time for poof. Lovely jubbly. Hey, I marked this out. To be fair, I said close blows. We were going down. I mean, I did it. Now wait for your entries, and we can get the. Is it GBPs? Yeah, GU, right? Sheesh. Nice. Alrighty, boys. We get that entry above 1905. Where is the XY? The XY is gaining strength. It's gaining. Oh, okay. Never mind. We're gaining some strength. The thing is, it doesn't matter. We still can get the buys above this zone and sells below here now. Now that news came out like that, and USG, I'm not taking anything on GJ for now. That was horrible news. That was really bad. That was actually. Like, can you say something similar to lock it in the chat so we can know about? Oh, okay, yeah, sure. All right, watch for the markets, right? So this currently is quite bad for the GBP. Don't trade GBP until we get like breaks below here or around these areas. Once we break 184.2, you can have nice sells or a retest of this zone. We get something like this, come down, and then push further down, like something like this, and then we push further down. like this. This is a nice entry for sales again. And for gold, we get the buys. Right. All right, buys above here or sells. The reason that gold did not react as much, and even though DXY is pushing up, is due to we're rejecting this zone. That's why I'm still in a bullish bias on gold. We still can push, but this is mainly due to just the GBP news, right? So this is what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for sells as of now. I have to wait for clear structure, clear structure break, which is below 1902. And the moment we go above 1905, I'm looking for buys. And the fact that we just did this is quite good. Don't like how this 30 closed though. It's still fine. It's still fine. The 5-minute closed weak bearish. This 5-minute closed bullish strong. We can have that nice retest, which we spoke about like this. It was this type of trade. Wait for clear signs of bullish structure. All right. Chat be locked in, yeah. So we could have nice entries. And GJ, oh, okay. So this GJ can straight away push down from now on. If not, if price comes to retest this zone, we can have nice entries. Of this would be a risky type entry for people who are not like that good in terms of like entering instantly and managing their positions. This is a risky entry. Wait, if we get the price to hit this zone, wait for some sort of pullback and then enter, which will be like somewhere around here. If you can't get this, get once we break back below. If not, we could just break below this area and straight away push. We get this, right? So this is the two scenarios that can happen, and preferably if price comes to here, then once we break 84,500 again, we can have that juicy entry. If that happens, this once we close below 184.5, that would be like easy to 183s even, and gold's acting up now. As I told you, look how many bullish candles. We need some sort of rejection. We could come here, but I wouldn't want it. I wanted to go close above further. Damn, 36 people watching. Come on. Nice, come on. Let's see what GJ is doing. GJ is still, yeah, okay, so we rejected this area. I've seen GJ do this multiple times. Let me find a news date you can easily make out if it's news, right? When news was that strong. Look what happened last time news was so strong. I remember seeing this candle and I could possibly, and I think I took a trade around this area. This candle came around. We had two bearish candles really strong. One bullish candle straight away drop. Same thing with here, bullish, some sort of rejection, start to push down. And this was, I think, UADA talking some random bullshit. Yeah, you can see massive drop and then we start to push here. This, if you go on lower time frames, you can see it happen uh, minute by minute. This is really nice. I want some sort of rejection, or we come down, close below, retest, come down further. But I want this retest. I'm not gonna jump in any trades like that. This is still fine. 1 billion grams of coffee hit an MM for sure. You can see I started instead of like just talking. Alright, signals chat. Alrighty, yay, we retested, we rejected, closed above. 5-minute closes above this area. Nice buys. Even if 1 minute closes above, that's still perfect for buys. So guys, lock in. Hey, come back. We're joking around, now come back, alright? Watch out what the market's gonna do, alright? Nice. This 1 minute closed above. Let's see what DXY is doing, even though that won't affect it much due to the news on GBP. Yeah, that's rejecting this high. Nice, perfect. We can come down further down. Alrighty, 1 minute closed above. We get this. We get either 1905 or a risky buys above this zone. Okay, above this here. SO should be like around this area. Okay, and you can have push it up to 1907 and further. As long as this candle doesn't close below, buys are still valid. Really strong buys. We need this candle to, yeah, it looks like it's gonna stay above. Perfect. Yeah. All right. I mean, until maybe last minute starts to reject, but for now it's still looking really good. Let's see. Okay, no bottom wick. No bottom wick. Still valid. Still valid. Yeah, this would be the entry now. Once this candle breaks its own highs, and also candle should not actually flip. This 5 minutes should not possibly flip. It needs to close above this 1904 level. Nineteen oh five entry would still be the optimal area. 1905 would be the optimal area, but this is a risky buys. Yeah, nice, nice. The 1 minute closing bullish. All right, perfect. This is really good. Once we can even get an entry here, but if you want safer, it would be like 10 pips SO. We break this high. Awesome. We need this fight. What's this Chinese music? Yeah. Did anyone get in, or is anyone like looking for entries? No, let's see. I don't know if someone's that's DVS guy is watching. If this candle closes below, a bit chalky. This is what I'm looking for. Wait. Once we close above 1905, that will be very strong. If not, we just get the sells below 1902. Okay. Yeah, it's still the 5 minutes still closed above. That's still fine with me. I still like it. Rejecting this whole candle out. Yes, it closed below this. It's still okay. It closed above here. Just get your entries if price comes there, right? Or close. We may be getting that entry soon. Or if you wanted to play it safe, wait for the buys here. Okay. Get this. So many candles around this area. If you have a candle closes between 1904, I'm just gonna close the charts and dip. I don't care anymore. I'll wait for New York. The XY is rejecting this area, which is perfectly nice, perfectly fine. We had no top wick, no bottom wick. This is the reaction to the news. Yeah. It's not a one-to-one. Always remember, the XY is not a one-to-one. It reacts to other things other than just gold. Yeah, we closed below 1904. The price can come further down. All right. Price can come. Oh, it actually did not close below 1904. It still has room for rejections. This next candle will determine what we're gonna do. All right. Yeah, it's looking bad. Yeah, no, but no, wait, we didn't get an entry, so yep, this is nice. See, we rejected this, and we're still coming down further. Damn, who knew GJ was the cleanest one? But these were both news. Nothing happened between them. And this is no bottom wick. This was revised? Okay. This was really, really bad compared to the previous few. This was horrible. I mean, it makes sense due to the fact that they have high levels of inflation, interest rate. Sorry. VIX is not the VIX. The VIX is below 18, so we're pushing down. Yep, this is coming down. Once we close below this area, we're gonna come down further. Ah, amazing, freaking amazing. All right, did anyone jump in? Did anyone jump in here? This should be your SL. Or wait for this closure, right? If you guys jumped in here, just you can keep it. Your SL is like what, 10 pips, 8 pips? It's not bad. We could just do this and just further push up to 1910s, right? I'm drooling on myself. Name why it is. Right, rank the risk. Right, the link isn't working on controller effects for courses. Is it? Should be. Yeah. Okay. Now what we're now you should be up by 6, 7 pips. Here, signal courses. Pricing. What? Yeah, pricing. Here, sign up to purchase. Sign up on this. It works. Yeah, nice. It's pushing. This candle closed no top wick above, so be careful. If you're in, you manage on how price acts in the next few candles. Okay. GJ is not doing anything. The fact that we closed above, even though it has no top wick, it's still fine. It's still fine considering the fact that we're breaking above. But yeah. Did anyone jump in? Oh, welcome. Yeah, Pepper. It's fine. Yeah, this. Wait. Okay, now. This is awesome. Now this candle comes and closes above. It will be really good. Here. If you guys did not get in here, you can get this entry even for safer buys for back to what we've been talking about. And what's the XY doing? It's rejecting this low. Hopefully it starts to reject. Let's see. Alright, this is really looking good. Here. We get this entry and we push up. Alright. Wait for that. This is like acting around the zone. We need some clear signs that price is gonna push further than 1905. The only problem was that this candle closed no top wick. If this candle closed like with a decent wick, you should not even think of closing. It doesn't matter what candles tell you. We didn't, but we're still in this bullish momentum. Okay, remember this. We're still in this bullish momentum. We broke this highs. We broke the 4-hour highs all a long time ago. We have this doesn't really matter considering we have a lot of volume coming on today. The weekly is also pushing up. What did I say in the beginning of the week? We are gonna have a decent push. 4 hours push bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 15 minutes. I mean, it was bullish, and it still can flip. 1 minute is just no bottom wick, and right at this zone, all right, right at this area. So wait and see what happens. All right. If you guys got in, I like you can just manage your positions or wait for that buys above. Yeah. Wait, I think I marked something like this. Wait, going back, going back, going back. Where is it? Yeah, we'll go walk up and down easy, slowly, but we need this closure. We need this candle to close above. The good thing is these candles are getting weaker. We are doing a 50% correction of like the previous 5 minute. If this candle rejects and closes fully engulfing this, close the chart, wait for New York. This candle closes above, still fine. 30 more seconds. Why don't I get the chat directly quick? What? Alright. Yeah, so far let's push up. No, it's in cells. Yes, I'm in. BE. Alright, that's not bad. 1907 reachable if this candle closes. Yeah, if it still closes above 1904, it's still fine. I just don't like the fact that we're just like canceling this whole push out, right? And DXY is, I mean, DXY is still rejecting. It's still fine. DXY is still like quite shit. We could, if we push above here, we're going easily to 104, 105s, 104.1s. Right now, it's just a matter of what price is doing, because this is very rangy. This is really rangy. See, yeah, this is quite rangy right now. Yeah, I expected some guy posted this picture. I expected to go to 1910s. No more buys in this range, okay? Don't get any buys in this range until we close above 1905. I'm gonna wait for 5. Fuck it. I'll wait for 5. And then we may get an entry. Nothing on GJ yet. Uh, Markets are chalky. Just flip. Very rangy, very rangy. The only possible position was here. I should have kept my entry. I closed it out prematurely. This was my entry. 0.7 like that. Right now it would have been 25 pips. Yeah. Still fine. But we need that 1905 closure. I'm gonna put an alert. 1905, right? And see if I can send email. No. Webhook link. I can't do that. Send email to SMS. I can't. Email account verification. No, thank you. Alright, we can see it's an alert. Just put an alert here and see what happens next, right? We still rejected this. How did you hit an L? We didn't even hit stop loss. Pepper, how did you what? Weird. We didn't hit stop loss. We still rejected this area. We should be back in profit. If you got here, if you got in here or something, right? SL was 10 pips. You should be in profit now. 3 pips, 4 pips now. And it's still in profit. If you didn't go out break even, you should not have closed it in drawdown. Yeah, exactly, man. Mango, nice. So many rejections here. There's no reason to close until we close below this zone. And this candle closed no bottom wick. This candle opened up, pushed up. This retest. We retested this area. 55, 5 minutes about to close bullish. What's the reason for premature closure? Let's see what this guy said. 5 boosted.
Thank you. Good. I don't want them, but my attitude towards the nightmares is yes, thank you. Good. I don't want them to go away. They will go away when whatever needs to be dealt with is
See?
dealt with by
Listen.
my mind. And like I said, if anyone else could fix them for me, I would not allow them to because I believe it is my lesson and it's my pain and my trauma and it's mine.
Exactly.
And if I have to keep them forever, I'll keep them.
Like it's still pushing.
I'm not afraid of feeling negative. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of having nightmares. I don't wake up going, I want to feel good. I don't care. So if I have to feel miserable,
Same thing with the same idea on like
my attitude
thing. This big man. Okay. I wait for this. Ah, the XY is just ranging. Gold is alright. GJ is ranging. Is it even moving? If this, listen guys, if your guys are in, if this next candle fully engulfs this, it will be like a, what? Let's see. If you got in around here, right? If you got in around here, you're, what the hell? If you got in around here, you'll be down like 4 pips, which is nothing. And if you want, you can just close out at break even. It's already at break even area. Close it out and wait for a 1905 better entries. Wait for this. I'm not in anything currently. I saw it. I got in here. Wait out, and then I just went out break even. When I came, I saw this. I just went out break even, waiting for another push up. Yeah, it's still fine. Yeah, it's still rejected this area. Wait for the hourly. Because if hourly closes above here, Let's mark this out. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we close above this. Very good. It's just up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh, you had a really nice entry, 1889. Damn, what happened? What happened? Oh, you couldn't hear Tate. Let me put this. Okay, let me pause this and listen to what he said. Not this. Let me make it louder. Here.
Attitude towards the nightmares is, yes, thank you. Good. I don't want them to go away. They will go away when whatever needs to be dealt with is dealt with by my own mind. And like I said, if anyone else could fix them for me, I would not allow them to, because I believe it is my lesson and it's my pain and my trauma and it's mine to deal with. And if I have to keep them forever, I'll keep them. I am not afraid of feeling negative. I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of having nightmares. I don't wake up going, I want to feel good. I don't care. So if I have to feel miserable, it doesn't bother me. But my attitude towards the nightmares is, yes, thank you. Good. I don't want them to go away. They will go away when whatever needs to be dealt with.
Break even would have been nice. Yeah, if you guys are in, you should be break even. Oh, rejected here last second. Yeah. Hourly seems like it's not gonna close above. If the hourly closes below 1904, yeah, look for sales, alright? Look for sales, because look what happened past. Yeah, look for sales, alright? Until then, nothing. Oh, shit. Hourly might flip. The 4 hours still bullish, but 8 minutes closing above. But it hasn't closed above here. Still closing above here. We're in a pickle though. Yeah. Alright. We close below. Watch out for sales, alright? Watch for sales below this one, alright? We get this sells, or here. Let me mark this out. Uh, We have news at 9:45. Wait for this. If not, you can just take sales for here. But the fact that the hourly closed down, the hourly, and we created multiple rejections above 1905, gives me some such suggestion that we could start rejecting. If not, we still close above 1905. That's still fine, even though hourly closed down. If we have any sort of strong rejection on the 15, 5 minute, or some big candle closing above 1905, we could have that entry and hold it to 1910s. But until then, nothing. So I'm a dip though. I'm a dip right now. All right. See you guys tomorrow at the same time. I'll come earlier. We have unemployment claims and that's it. We have nothing else. Tomorrow I'll come out earlier. Come earlier at 2 a.m. Right? See you guys tomorrow. Price is just going up and down. If anyone's in and that has not closed out break even, you're still like in just 4 or 5 pips in drawdown. The total SL is 10, so it's still fine if you want to let it run. But it's just a bit more risky now. A bit, it's quite risky now. And GG is closing around this area, below this area. The hourly closed strong. We're now breaking this area. Once we have some sort of strong candle closure on the 5 minute or 1 minute, we get this entry come down further, right? Watch for this to happen. Or if you want later on we get something like this, that will be even better. But for now, wait. There is not like much going on in the market. It's quite rangy. And if people who are in, you can go right now at break even, or keep your trade and let it just rock. Whatever happens, happens. Right? We need this kind of, we need some sort of closure above 1905. If we close above 1905, I will I will message on the Discord so people can see. I put an alert so we can all see, we can all be together, right? Okay, bye bye. Yeah, closing if it's here, boy. See you, bye bye. Bye. See you guys. See you guys. Bye bye.